Hello and welcome back. I'm Tom and you're watching Forgotten Performance. You might remember from the last video, I had the dashboard in. I've taken that out now. It was never properly attached to anything, I didn't screw it in. I just needed it there to roughly figure out where the wiring goes. But I've decided I had it all wrong. So I'm going to take the dashboard back out because I removed it from the car originally when I was about 10 years old. I'm now 27, so I don't remember how any of it goes back together. So what I'm going to do is take this big frame out, and I found a very helpful video where I've been studying it, and I'm going to put the whole dashboard together as a big unit and then put that into the car. And because everything will have the speakers and that kind of thing there, I'll be able to find out where the plugs go. So that's a better plan. So what that means is I've got to take this big metal frame back out the car, build the dashboard up onto that frame, and then bring it back in here and put it back together, because then hopefully I'll be able to get all these wires in the right places and plug everything in, because at the moment I can't find anything that's very clear on where they go, and because I haven't got all the electrics in the dashboard, obviously there's no plugs for everything to go to, and I've got plugs everywhere. So if anyone can shed any light on any of these, because these are all tangled back here, they don't even lead to anything. If anyone can shed any light on where they go, I would be much appreciated. So there's yellow, there's grey, there's this square one, probably a speaker wire, that, this, these. Got plugs down here with nothing for them to go to. This block here, it is a nightmare. So I really need some help, or this is going to be a long process. I figure this long bunch, obviously that's some speaker wire, stereo wires, so that'll all be for the centre console kind of stuff. I know that, but it's this mess over here that's really confusing me. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my socket and ratchet, drop this steering column out of the way so I've got a nice bit of space. I am so comfortable. Now, so here we can see the problem. I just don't know what gaps and everything all of these wires go through. All of this up here, I've got it following what seems like natural paths. Hey look, there's a hidden plug. So I was never going to get this in the way that I was doing it. Let me know in the comments where these plugs go, please, or a link to any useful sites or videos that you guys have used in the past if you've done this, because this is a nightmare. I'm going to struggle. So what I'm going to do now is undo the 8mm bolt down here, Same on that other side. And then there's a 13mm bolt back, well, nut back there. I need to loosen. I should, from memory, be able to pull this frame out. So this little nut that I said to undo up here is not a 13, because this is a snap-on 12mm. See if I can get that to focus. 12 snap-on. Well, that fits. Kinda, not really. It would undo it, but it's probably an 11mm. Or an American size, which would be like something like, I don't know, 4/16 of an inch or something silly. So now that's loosened, I should just be able to take my hand and pull that straight off. Just got to do the 8mm on that side. So now I've got to undo, or if they even will, because they're very old, the tape will probably just break. Undo, push out these little fur clips that hold the wiring loom to the dashboard. Most of these are just breaking off as soon as I touch them. Thread the cables back through. Obviously don't break any. So there we go, the frame is off. I just need to finish putting these last few wires through. Somebody's got caught. I can't do this all one-handed to film this, unfortunately. It's actually quite a struggle. I really don't want to end up breaking anything, because this is all going to be very old 80s plastic. Not just 80s plastic, but 80s Foxbody plastic. And the Foxbody was not built to be a super high quality luxury car. It was quite a cheap car. That's not to say they're not nice, it's just the quality of materials after 40 years might be a little bit reduced. But here we go, the frame's out. So what I'm going to do is take the dashboard and try and make that hole again with this. I can get all the little bits together then. So that's step one, which is get the frame into the dashboard. Took a bit of wiggling to get it past these. Obviously I've done it in the wrong order. This should have been off, that should have gone in first, and then they should have gone in, but it'll be okay, we'll make it work. Obviously I didn't break it putting it together, so just need to find all these screws. Once that's all screwed together, start putting other bits on. So I've got the loom out of the car. It's going to be a bit easier to figure out. As you can see here, it is an absolute mess. All the shielding's come away, so no black tape, only red. I'm going to start taping it up a bit. What I've been able to do is what I couldn't before, which is actually get things in the right places and figure out where certain things go. Such as this, goes back up round like that. So I'm going to get this all tidied up and then look at putting it back in the car. Still not sure where this part attaches, but it seems happier coming down than it is across. So I'm going to go with that for now. We might find it attaches up here. I'm not sure. If anyone knows, drop it in the comments. Starting to make pretty good progress now, so I did find some black tape. Getting this all kind of roughly in place. I don't know if that's long enough, I think that comes over there. Getting all the plugs kind of pulled through where they need to be, coming through all the gaps, which is exactly why I wanted to get this off the car. Got this all retaped along here. Haven't done this section yet because I'm out of wire. But I've come all the way down, done all these stretches. I think these are for cruise control. Now I've got it all out. I need to find a cruise control module and see if they are or not. Bits like this, don't know where they're attached to, but I'll figure that out back in the car because it's actually going to be able to hold its position now. Take the clips and that back on. Still looks messy, but definitely making progress. So unfortunately this is the state of the bolts and the screws that I'm dealing with. I've gone through all of the ones that I've got over by the car, all through my boxes. I found some that kind of go in, but I can tell they're not the right ones. So I'm going to have to leave this video here for now and pick it up once I've ordered some new screws. But we've got all the wiring in. I've been able to figure out the wires that were confusing me. The loom's been rewrapped, it looks a lot tidier. I know what things like these plugs are. These are for the cruise control. I know where all of this routes to now, and I'll be able to get this kind of placed back into the car. I'm just going to order off some new screws first, and then obviously screw the dashboard together. Because otherwise I can put this in the car, I still won't be able to screw it in. This is the problem when you're dealing with a car that's been parked for 19 years. The boxes that screws were in fall apart, things get brittle and break, so you end up losing stuff, and then things also get misplaced. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, I'll catch you next time. Obviously I've still got loads that I can do, so I will be putting out another video again soon. Till then, have a look at what a Foxbody should look like.